Hi, Belle. What you got? What you got? Are you happy? Yes. Can I see your tooth? Can I see it? No. You need a microscope, don't you? You silly girl. Oh, don't know what. No one talk about me. My baby just wants to be in the camera. That's all. Bella. Hi. One day you'll let me take a picture of it, won't you? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. No. No. Can you say mama? That's what I thought. Okay. Hey, Big Ed. Hey, Sass. Hey, Belle. Yeah, she's in her own world now. Look at that. And no splashes on the counter, the best part.